Picture this. Days spent crafting your YouTube masterpiece. You upload, publish, wait, and hope. But then, crickets. Your video, your brilliant idea, dies harder than a Hollywood sequel nobody asked for. Sound familiar? So, what now? Smash your laptop? Hold a pity party? Or do you learn the secret to sparking life back into it? Or at least your next upload? Let me ask you, ever poured your heart into a video only for YouTube to seemingly ignore it? We've all been there. Why do some videos just tank? The brutal truth? Most videos won't be instant hits. Some will be what we call 10 out of 10s, ID on the failure scale. It's like using a new toaster. Sometimes you turn everything to nuclear and wonder why it's burnt. Here's the first critical step to turning failures into fuel for ranking. You are not your video. Sounds harsh, but vital. To see clearly, you need detachment. No, don't delete it in shame. Simply take a break from that underperforming video. Disconnect for at least a month. An entire month? Yes, it'll feel like YouTube eternity. But when you return, you'll barely remember the details. Perfect. You're no longer the creator, you're a viewer. Now, watch it again, but this time, feel it. Like a typical YouTube viewer with an itchy skip finger and a million distractions. Did you fidget? Check messages? Want to speed it up? If your own video bored you after a break, imagine what it did to 80% of your audience. That's your first clue to why it didn't rank. Time for some CSI content scene investigation. Dive into your YouTube analytics, specifically your average view duration graph. If that graph looks like a steep ski slope in the first 30 seconds, you found the slide of shame. This early drop-off kills your video's chances of being recommended. Why are viewers bailing so fast? Did your title and thumbnail promise Avengers Endgame, but deliver a 47-slide PowerPoint? Misleading packaging crushes viewer trust and watch time. From this honest viewing, identify 3 key reasons your video underperformed. Was the hook weak? Pacing too slow? Thumbnail boring? Write these reasons down. Seriously, old school pen and paper, stick them on your wall. This is your roadmap for what to improve next. What's one area you suspect might be losing viewers early on? Next video, pick one of those reasons, just one, and go laser focused on improving it. Let's say your intro is the problem. To fix a bad intro, ditch long logo animations. Nobody cares yet. Don't beg for likes up front. Treat those first 10 to 15 seconds like Mission Impossible. Viewer retention is essential for the algorithm. But what if, after a month, you rewatch and still think the content is solid? Good audience retention, positive comments, still relevant? The problem might be your packaging. A bad title or a dull thumbnail can kill a great video before anyone even clicks. It's like serving a Michelin star meal in a greasy fast food box. If your content deserves a second chance, radically change the packaging. Try a completely different title, a brand new thumbnail. Find a new angle, spark new curiosity, present it with fresh energy. Make people need to click. Here's the mindset shift that sparks channel growth. Every bad video isn't a failure. It's a prototype. YouTube is your lab. Failure isn't just an option, it's a learning strategy. If you're not failing by experimenting, you're probably not uploading enough to learn what truly ranks. And if you're not uploading, why are you here? Embrace the lessons, ignite those views, and watch your channel rank higher.